watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hello and welcome. I'm delighted to have you here today. If you're looking to transform your porch into a serene summer retreat with a touch of cottage charm, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 15 simple and affordable ideas to refresh your porch, making it the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the season. Wicker seating with soft cushions. Introduce classic wicker chairs or a love seat adorned with plush, neutral-toned cushions to create a comfortable and inviting seating area. Layered outdoor rugs. Place a larger neutral rug beneath a smaller patterned one to add depth and texture to your porch floor. Vintage lanterns and candle holders. Incorporate antique-style lanterns or candle holders to provide soft lighting and a nostalgic ambience during the evenings. Potted lavender and herbs. Arrange pots of lavender, rosemary, or basil to add greenery and a pleasant aroma to your space. Floral throw pillows. Add throw pillows with delicate floral patterns to your seating area to enhance the cottage aesthetic. Hanging ferns or ivy. Suspend ferns or ivy in hanging baskets to bring in natural elements and a touch of greenery overhead. Wooden rocking chair. Place a classic wooden rocking chair in a corner for a timeless and relaxing seating option. Decorative birdhouses. Install charming birdhouses as decorative pieces that also invite local birds to visit. Sheer outdoor curtains. Hang light. Sheer curtains to provide shade and a sense of privacy while allowing gentle breezes through. Antique side table. Use a small, vintage side table to hold drinks, books, or decorative items, adding functionality and style. String lights or fairy lights. Drape string lights along the ceiling or railing to create a warm and inviting glow in the evenings. Seasonal wreath on the door. Hang a wreath made of seasonal flowers or greenery on your front door to welcome guests with charm. Outdoor-friendly art or signs. Display weather-resistant artwork or signs with uplifting messages to personalize your space. Galvanized metal accents. Incorporate galvanized metal items like buckets or planters to add rustic texture and interest. Cozy throw blanket. Keep a soft throw blanket on hand for cooler evenings, adding both comfort and a homey touch. Thank you for joining me on this journey to create a cozy cottage-style porch for the summer. I hope these ideas inspire you to refresh your outdoor space and enjoy the season to its fullest. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more home decor inspiration. Until next time, take care and happy decorating.